We spend a huge amount of time in here. Our kitchen before was just eat breakfast and go. No one wanted to be in there any longer than they had to be. It was just kind of like a room for eating, leaving. We always defaulted to the living room as soon as possible because it just wasn't a nice enough space to relax in. Whereas now the kids love it. They sit up on the island, they have their breakfast, have their lunches, dinners, they watch TV in here, they play in here, they do their homework in here, they do crafts in here. They love it, and we spend a lot more time cooking and enjoying it.
Dealing with Roof Maker was genuinely the easiest bit of the whole process. The ordering, the scheduling. As soon as we placed the order, we knew exactly what the timeline was. The communication was really good. It was just made it easy.
It arrived when you said it had arrived. There wasn't any it's going to be delayed.
Really straightforward, and within a day it just really closed off the kitchen. It was fantastic.
And actually, of all the people that had been through our property to do work, that was the most straightforward, easy, no problems fit we'd had.
The tool that was online really worked well for us because the architect hadn't tied it into a standard size. It was something unique. All the options for double, triple glazing, electric roof opening, rain sensors, sun sensors, all this kind of stuff.
You're in your element.
You're
just loving it.
Loving it, picking stuff. It was like the kid in the sweet shop.
The light created from the lantern and how big it is, and the doors are just is the part for me that really finishes the kitchen. Because all this stuff wouldn't look as nice without that amazing light, as far as I'm concerned. It just wouldn't be the same room, would it?
From the point of view of how it's affected us as a family, I think it's really made a huge difference to us. Right from the outset, creating a family space, bringing light back into the house was really important to us, and just having an environment that we can all get together and spend time together in.
I think for me it exceeded my expectations, the final result, seeing the lantern in, seeing the doors in. It just went from something in your head to, oh my god, it's better than what I had in my head.